It's indeed a flagship project for us, and we are working hard towards ensuring that the people of Nyeri are able to access universal health care, which, like I know most of you are aware, we are one of the pilot counties among the 4 that the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta has chosen and selected to be in his pilot and pilot for the UHC. We're down in the county. We are ensuring that our own county referral hospital is properly equipped, has the right, has the right personnel, and we are also ensuring that we have enough drugs to take care of our people. The latest is a consignment of 65 million that I was able to flag off just about 3 weeks ago. And this one has already reached all the facilities, the 172 facilities that I have in this county, of which, except for the level 3 and the level 4 and level 5, we are giving free medical services.
The program is basically for those children who may have heart conditions from disadvantaged background, who cannot be able to pay the normal fees at the hospital. As my representative of the GC said, we have done about 3,000 operations or procedures. We intend and we believe that we'll be able to meet our target for this year, which is about 200 million, so that we'll be able to touch more of those children's life.